What's up, guys? This is Jimmy, also known as Jumanji1776. I'm an Option Goats moderator and trader and owner and founder, along with three others at Option Goats Trading LLC. We're based out of the state of Wisconsin. This is your swing recap for the week of October 25th. So let's take a look at some of the trades that we had last week. We've been looking at SHIB. We've been looking at Tesla. It is exactly 9:25 Mountain Time here on November 1st. So we're in the middle. It's been 2 hours since trading this morning. You know, I'm starting to like doing the videos on Monday morning with a little bit of movement on Monday morning. So anyways, let's get started. If you sign up, if you go to our website, optiongoatsllc.com, and you scroll down here, you can go to join OG Prime membership, which will take you to the our payment page, and then join free would take you to the Discord. If you join OG Prime, you get all the bot signals, you get all the crypto signals, the information, the commands, all that good stuff. Now, if you sign up right now, it'd be $60 per month. But if you use the code SPRING30, you would get $30 per month for 3 months. So don't forget this code right here, SPRING30. Use that code and you can get it for $30 a month for 3 months. If you're a first responder or military, you would also get a discount on top of that. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video. Check out our other swing recap videos as well. If you want to find out how I trade, go to Credit Spread Crash Course. This is how I sell premium. All I do is really just sell call spreads on tops, and that's about it. Let's get started here. So let's take a look at this week's last week's profits. So let's see here. Let's see. So this is the 25th. So the 25th. Here we go. Yeah, let's do 25th. Okay. So here we have the Tesla spread that we bought for 80 bucks. Tesla 1700, 725 calls for January. We had 80, they were worth 80 bucks. They're worth 45 this day. So we're up 462%, which is $370. And Nas, dude, this dude's been killing it. This dude's on a danger route. He's going to be killing it in these next 12 months. He's got a plan, and I am so excited that I'm going to be part of it with him. So anyways, he had a 165-day morning here selling premium. He sells premium, guys. He sells premium. That's all he does. Here's another one. Here's later this day. Here's our Tesla spreads that I was just showing you. Let's see here, Tesla 1700, 1725. So they were worth 80 bucks. They were worth 60 here. Now they're worth, they've got a 650% gain, 520 bucks. Let's keep going. SHIB. So this was another good one. We bought SHIB before it launched. We bought it again after it launched. We bought it again after that. This is where our $300 was worth 927 this day, which was on Tuesday. So that was a good day. Here's another one. Tesla spreads. Now they're up 775%. Our Palantir spread, we were up 111%. Granted, it was only a 20-buck play. Regardless, it was a 111% return play. So we're really happy about that one. Nas had a red day, but hey, you know what? The dude had a green day on Monday and Friday and evened out. So it's like he had 3 weeks straight of green days. So this is just a slight bump in the road, dude. Not even that. It's like a pebble. All right, here's SHIB again when it started launching. So here's our 300 bucks turned into 1,098. Ghost making 200 bucks on the day he closed out Google. Good job there. Beta Game. Nas again with the 205 on the 27th, which was on Wednesday. We're only halfway through the week. Nas killing it again. Here he is, 200 bucks on the day on SPX credit spreads, killing it again. Ghost got filled at 820 and then got exited out at 569. So he made about 230 bucks there. That was awesome. And then here is Nas again. I think this is Friday now. I think we're on a Friday. On the day open. making 20 bucks on the day, 120%. Hey, that's a win, man. That's a freaking win. And then the last thing we had, I'll show you today's. So here's our Tesla spreads today because Tesla's going off right now. We'll visit Tesla here in a bit in the chart, but here's our 80 bucks. We're up 1,090. So we're up 1,000. We're up, you know, and I should be able to actually pull up my Coinbase. Let's take a look at our Coinbase because our Coinbase had, let's see if I even know my freaking password. Hey, yo, that one works. Oh my gosh. I did this last time. All right, here we go. Coinbase. Oh my gosh. Well, you know what? I'm just glad that it's taking the extra time. See, this is great. I want to skip this. Yes, I'm skipping because I want to show you the 300 bucks that we put into Sheeb, because this is all I was doing. Was on this day, Sheeb was taking off. So let's make sure we're looking at Sheeb. I want to look at Sheeb on the chart. There we go. Perfect. So this is where we bought Sheeb, was down here again. And it consolidated for a bit, launched again, and it's consolidating now. So here was our 300 bucks. Our 300 bucks is now worth 1,395. So we're about plus 1,100. So really happy about that on Sheeb. We own about 20 million Sheeb. So that's something that I'm very happy about. We're going to be holding on to this for a while. Yeah, we're actually going to be holding on forever. We're actually going to be holding on to that shit for a very long time. Let's take a look at our Tesla spreads. This is the only play I had that was in our Tesla, that was in my Robinhood. I haven't switched. I mean, I switched everything to my Thinkorswim. So I rarely use the Robinhood, but for Tesla spreads, since I can automatically put money into the account very quickly with my debit card when I need to make the play, I usually just use Robinhood if I need something quick. But here's our play now. We're still up about $1,000 bucks. So we're up $2,000 from Sheeb and Tesla together from the past couple of weeks. So super happy with the turnout there. So let's take a look at some of the updates that we had last week. Let's see, so this was the 25th. There's Palantir, Tesla, Sheeb, Tesla, Palantir, Sheeb, Tesla, Sheeb. Oh, we got our divs last week. Ayo, I have 22K in the stock called PDT. In one account, I got paid $43. And another account, I got paid $115. So really, really happy about those. We used that money to sell premium last week, of which I'm going to go over in just a second here. So on this 25th, let's see, here we go. So here's PCG. PCG was a stock that had a cheaply call that pulled up. Let's see if I can find it. This was on, here we go. PCG, was it this day? No, I think it was this one. Nope, you know what? It's not on there, but that's okay. So what we did was we bought the PCG 15 call for December 17th. It was $11. So this is kind of what we're expecting. See this line right here? Oops, let's do an extended line here. This is the line that we needed to hit. And it depends on what it's going to do, right? If we have oil is going to be, this is, I'm pretty sure this is Procter & Gamble. No, it's Pacific Gas and Electric. It don't matter. So, but actually it does matter. Two completely separate sectors. But this is going to be gas, of which case, if we look at XLE, the spider stock on energy, it's taking off right now. I'm expecting a little bit of consolidation up here before we go higher. So it's going to follow what PCG is going to follow what what energy is going to do. In which case, if we get another monster run like we did earlier this year in January, you might have a chance of actually this going in the money. So I really like that play. It's really cheap, 11 bucks. If I had to go back, I probably would have bought 10, but you know what? That's okay. We did sell, excuse me, we did buy, we did an ER play last week. It was really cheap. It was banking on Amazon popping off on ER and actually had a miss on a lot of stuff. So it ended up coming down. But again, it was a debit spread play. It was 20 bucks. It was something really, really cheap. The payout was big, but it was only $20. You had to get ready to just, lose it all. I felt lucky last week, so that was the reason why I did it. And then we sold a put spread on Futu. And right now Futu is kicking ass. All right, so this is what we did. So Futu, we sold the vertical put spread. So if we're selling put spreads, we want it to go up, right? Because puts will go down if it goes up. So if we sell put spreads to somebody, they're banking that it goes down. If we sell for the seller, that means we're banking that it's going to go up, right? Opposite. So we're selling the 46 and buying the 45. The 11-12 expiration premium collect was 27, and max loss was 75. So let's take a look at how far we are from the money, because this is actually really interesting. If this stock hits the 200 SMA on the 1 hourly, this is kind of would be our exit regardless. We're going to be green. We're green right now. I think we're up like 30 or 40%. But we're really just looking to get a clean $10, $11 out of this play because we collected only 25. We don't want to be caught on the wrong side of this trade because this thing is in a strong downtrend. And I believe it is also a Chinese stock. Futu Holdings Limited. Let's see here. Futu Holdings country. Chinese. So again, you gotta be careful with the Chinese stocks. We're basically buying the dip here, but we're doing it by selling premium like really far away. So like right now, the stock is at 56. This is a volatile stock. So that was one of the big things that we were looking on the Tradedics website was we were looking at seeing how what high IV stocks are on Fridays. And then if we can sell premium on the opposite direction and make some money in that aspect, we're going to go that route. Futu's IV, historical IV over the next past 30 days was, I think, 212%. And then over the past like 60 days, it was like 365. It was something crazy like that. So we were able to sell premium while it was over here, like at 57, when the stock was, we were like $11 away from the money. So it's like, again, going back to the way I trade, the stock can go 3 different directions. It can go up, down, or sideways. If you're selling a premium that's away from the money, all it needs to do is just consolidate or go in the opposite direction and you can collect the money on it. Hopefully we're not gonna be holding this like until expiration. I don't want to. Again, if we just collect 10 or $11 on the play, that would be ideal. So long-term plays, let's see here on the 25th, 26th. I think last week we did buy some more Pfizer. Pfizer did have a monster run on the daily chart when it was about to come out with the FDA approval on its booster, I think, or that it made a booster, if I remember correctly. Regardless, it is in an uptrend right now. This is a stock that does not move very big, okay? But the 70 calls pumped up to as high as, let's see if we can retrace all the way back. Here we go. Here's our 70 calls. They were $60 a piece. So we have 10 now. We started off with just buying 1. We have 10. So, and it's worth 170 bucks of the 10 that we have. If it hits 67 bucks again on a monster run like this, we'd be able to cash out like 600 bucks. So like that's kind of the play. We're not expecting it to go to 70 calls, to the 70 mark, but this does go out all the way until March. So our expiration is right here. So we do have some time, right? We do have some time, but if we can get back up to 50, 52 and get a little bit of volatility, pump out of it, that would be ideal. So, wow, look at that. Tesla at 1162. Let's take a look at some of these charts real quick. So if you've watched my videos, as you can see, these are my wedges. We made a lot of money on this run right here. This is back when I turned $400 into 8K. Our job now is we're turning $80 into 20K. So right now, Tesla's hitting all-time highs right here at 1163, right? Let's make sure we mention that in the chat. Tesla 1163. That's all-time highs. It's busting. It's going nuts. So yeah, Tesla's just kicking ass right now. I'm so happy because we wanted to time these spreads perfectly, and when it was consolidating at these levels, 1700 is kind of like that's way the fuck out of the money. And it just had an earnings report where it just launched from 900 to 1000, 1100. And it's on its way to 1200. So that's something we're going to keep in mind. We already looked at SHIB. Again, if you watch the previous videos, I'm just buying $100 worth of this crypto like every paycheck, which is every 2 weeks. And that's about it. So, I mean, the two main things that we're watching, SHIB, or 4 things: Tesla, Pfizer. We're looking at Pfizer right now, and then we're also looking at Futu. Okay, so we're also looking at Futu. So watching these stocks carefully. Not in a lot of positions right now, which is fine. We're sitting on a lot of cash. We're also sitting on a lot of SHIB right now. We're also sitting on a lot of Tesla spreads. So do I need to spend more money to make more money right now? Not really. So I can kind of enjoy sitting on cash. So anyways, let's get on to the monthly winner of October. So let's take a look real quick at the profits page and go at the beginning of October. So let's see here. And I already counted these up. I'm just going to show you what I've been seeing. So here is October, 170 on NAS, down 131 on NAS, up 180 on NAS, up 20 on NAS, 260 on, or excuse me, 60 on NAS, 235 on NAS, 105, 130, 77, 120, minus 10, plus 120, plus 130, plus whoop, that's not him, plus 165, minus 260, plus 205, and then plus 200. And I think that's about it. So the winner of the October monthly Hall of Fame winner is going to Money Heist, also known as Nas L Banker. Nas, you won the month of October. You have 3 different options of what you would like to get as your prize. A, you can just get $50 cash. B, you can get an OG shirt. Or C, we can send you some SHIB. Let us know, bud. That's it for the weekly recap for the week of October 25th. Until next time, check out SHIB, check out Tesla. I'm going to keep documenting our positions. Maybe we'll break, maybe we'll bust. Who knows? Check in next week to find out. So thank you so much and have a great day. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video. Go to our options YouTube channel right here. Woo!